Henk Pistorius was at his son's side during his highly publicized bail hearing. The family presented a united front, but now they've distanced themselves from the patriarch. It's reported that between Henk, his three brothers and his father, they owned 55 weapons. They were collectors and hunters, but also needed guns for self-defense. Henk claimed they could not rely on the police to protect them against crime. But the ANC says it's unfortunate that he politicized a tragic event.
We welcome the comments by the Pistorius family that has rejected out of hand the statement by Henk Pistorius. But secondly, they are prepared to live with all other people of this country, unlike Henk Pistorius, who seems to be a racist through his utterances.
Oscar Pistorius' media team says the family owns guns for sport and hunting purposes.
Oscar Pistorius' family and Oscar is deeply concerned about the comments that Oscar's father, Henk Pistorius, made to The Telegraph, the UK-based newspaper. Henk's interview was unapproved by the media liaison team, and Oscar, together with the Pistorius family and Vuma Reputation Management, are distancing ourselves from the statement made. And out of respect for the Steenkamp family, we haven't granted any interviews to any of the media.
Johnston said the Olympic star does not share his father's sentiments. Criselda Lewis, SABC News, Johannesburg.